can't find the tiny kitten. Is it lost? We have to find our friend.
Don't worry, little one, I'm here.
But where's the tiny one?
We'll find them. Stay close to me.
Okay, I'm scared. Where did our tiny friend go? I miss our playtime together. Let's look for them. Yes, let's go. Hey, wait, don't go.
But I have to find our missing sibling.
It's not safe out there alone. Stay, please. Okay, you're right. We'll go together. Meow, where are you? We have to find them.
We have to find the tiny kitten.
I know. I'm listening.
It must be so scared.
We'll find our friend.
Together.
Where's our tiny kitten? I don't know. Let's look. What was that? Over there, the drain pipe. Be careful. Hello? Are you in there? Did you hear that?
Yes, it was a drop.
We have to find the tiny one. I'll follow you.
This way, stay close.
I'm here. Meow? Meow!
We're almost there. Stay close.
Okay, but it's so dark. Look, the light! We're safe!
Let's go find the other kitten.
Meow? Meow! Meow, meow. Meow? sibling. I'm scared. Where could it be? Listen, it's coming from over there. Help me, I'm trapped. We'll get you out. I'm coming! Hold on! Help! Our sibling is missing! I'm here now. We'll find them together. Over there! I hear a sound! Let's go! Stay close! I'm coming! You can do it! I missed! I'll try again! I got it! Yay! You saved them!
Where is the little one?
I don't know, I'm scared.
We'll find them. Stay close.
Okay, but it's so dark. We'll be brave. We have to find the missing kitten. But how? We're stuck in this cage. We'll work together and lift it. Okay, I'm with you. Where are you? I'm here. I found you. I missed you. The tiny kitten is missing. What? I'm coming. Over here, please hurry. I'm here now. We'll find them. Where is the little one? I don't see them. Oh no, we have to find them. This way. There you are. Let's go find our tiny sibling. Okay, I'm right behind you. This way. I think I see something. Meow, we have to go, but the tiny one is missing. We'll find them. Keep moving. We're almost there. Together.
You're back! We missed you!
I knew you'd find us. I'm home now. Let's stay together.
Forever and always. We have to find our tiny sibling.
But it's so dark and scary.
Look, over by that window.
I don't see anything.
Stay here, I'll check.